Dealing with facial authentication login failures on Fedora can be a real headache, and after personally encountering this issue and exploring numerous solutions, I've identified several effective approaches that genuinely work, which I'm eager to share with you now. First, we tackle system updates and a simple reboot. This is vital because old software or small computer problems often stop facial recognition from working. A fresh start helps everything run smoothly, fixing issues that make your login fail. Next, re-enrolling your facial data is key. Sometimes your face scan gets corrupted or becomes less accurate due to changes or minor camera shifts. Making a new, clean face profile gives your Fedora system the best data to use, making recognition more reliable. Another important step is checking your camera and its drivers. Your face login needs your camera to work perfectly. If camera parts are old, permissions are wrong, or a wire is loose, the computer can't see you. Ensuring your camera is fully operational is a must. Lastly, we look at gaze or liveness settings. These features prevent others from tricking the system by checking if you're a real person. If these settings are too strict, your computer might think you're not real, blocking access. Adjusting these can truly help to fix facial authentication login fail with gaze on Fedora, allowing your eyes to be seen correctly so you can log in easily.